Hello everybody, welcome back to the great state of Montana. It's the Carbine Cowboy. Out here with my dad today and he's playing around with his AR-15. I brought mine out here too. Just thought we would see about doing a shooting video. If I can zoom in on the target. We're shooting at 100 yards and we're shooting the 40 grain VMAX with the AR-15 and we're trying to get them zeroed in for gopher shooting, which now that all the snow's gone, we can start having a little fun. And I just thought I would bring this out to you and we'll see how things go. Well, it looks like my dad's DPMS is doing pretty good. I don't know if you can see it, but that bottom bullseye, the yellow circle right above the green, he's punching the bottom of that yellow circle out, which is about the size of maybe a quarter. Not doing too bad on this nice 60-degree day. Hey everybody, it's Carbine Cowboy. I want to show you, if you can see that water bottle right there, I'm shooting 40 grain VMAXs out of my AR-15. That's what I use for my varmint load. And I'm going to try to hit that at 100 yards with that 40 grain VMAX out of the AR to show you the dramatic effect of when that hits target and explodes.
Hey, you moved your scope, are you sure you can hit it now? Okay. You got it. At least it fell over, but I didn't see it explode. Of course, that could have been depending on where you hit